How to issue a refund on PayPal. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I will simply guide you on how you can actually issue a refund on PayPal, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to issue a refund on PayPal, all you have to do is just open up your browser and then go to www.paypal.com and then sign into your account. Once you go to paypal.com and sign into your account, you have to just go to the activity tab, which is at the top of the screen, as you can see on the navigation menu. When you go to activity, you'll be able to see all of the payments that you've actually made. So basically, once the payment that you've made will be loaded, you just need to select the payment that you want to refund and then just click on the issue a refund button. So basically, just select the payment to refund, then just enter the amount that you would like to refund and then click on continue. You have to review the information and click on the refund button. In my case, I've not made any type of transaction, so you're seeing this, but if you have, then you'll see the option of the transaction and then you'll be able to see the refund button right next to it. And this is how you can simply actually issue a refund on PayPal. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.